right at the bottom. Okay. If you go, do you see the bridge? Keep going around the bottom until you find like a big ass wooden bridge. Or here, come this. I do too, actually. Oh fuck. They're geared. I kill this guy right here. This guy's a plate and a sniper, I think, and an AR maybe? I don't know. His buddy's on the ground with the gun there. You can probably sneak right up and grab it. Send a plate. I may have just killed him. Yeah, grab his gun and finish him. There's a sniper for each of you. Yep, because I gave GT a shot, and then they thought they were gonna like push off of it. They're zigzagging down the hill towards me. Wrong move. Alright, you guys good? Triple. I gotta get you a coat.